How to transfer points in JetBlue. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can transfer points in JetBlue. Now, how it works actually. Now, it's free to create a points pool. Now, you'll have to create a points pool first. Any TrueBlue member 21 years or older can open a points pooling account and be the pool leader. Now, from there, the pool leader invites other TrueBlue members to join their pool. They can be friends, family, including children, or a combination of both, as long as everyone has a TrueBlue account. Now, there must be a minimum of 2 people in a points pooling account and a maximum of 7. Now, once you join a points pool, each pool member, including the pool leader, contributes 100% of their TrueBlue points to the combined balance of that pool. The pool leader administers the point pooling account and can designate additional pool members to redeem points. Now, members are not permitted to join multiple points pooling accounts. If a member leaves the pool, the remaining points will be reinstated to their individual TrueBlue account. There is a minimum 6-month waiting period before replacing a pool member. So these are the things that you need to know. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.